Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Manjari Shukla and Aditi Shukla. Today we are going to make an eggless brownie. So the ingredients are milk, sugar, Oreos and Eno. So the first step is that we take the Oreo packet and we open it. Okay, and then we lay the Oreos over here. Take another packet, open it, and everything you can lay these and lay these. You have to lay them on a clean towel. Okay. And we can eat also. And then we have to fold it. And then we crush it by using anything. We didn't use a hand, we didn't use anything to crush it.
Now the Oreos are crushed, we will put inside the bowl.
So we're gonna put it in the bowl now. So for this brownie making, we're gonna use 4 big packets of Oreo like this. You can either crush them together or do it separately. We are preferring to do it separately because we're doing it all alone and not taking our mother's help. So we're gonna open the next 2 packets of Oreos and we're gonna repeat the same.
Now we are left off one more.
Please try this.
Now the last one.
So now we're going to put all this crushed Oreo into this jar. Wait. Bring this a bit closer. It's funny over.
Now some. Man. That's it. And mix it up.
Now we're going to add 2 cups of milk in this.
That I have to. I have to put.
Yes, you can pour it.
Now wait.
Now another cup.
Then we put.
Yes.
Where are my legs?
So now the jar is ready with the mixie. We have added milk and some crushed Oreos. Now the only thing left is some sugar. 4 spoons of sugar we have to add. So 1, 2,
3 and 1 more.
3, and the last one is 4. Now Aditi, you have to put the cup, right?
Close the jar.
Close it. And then we press it on number 2. now that this is completely blended, we have to add 2 sachets of Eno. So 1 and 2, and then we blend it all again.
On. Yeah, I want it.
Good. As you can see, there's some air bubbles in this. So to pop those air bubbles, we just have to tap it like that. So I think I'll please tap it. So until the bubbles go, we just keep tapping and tapping. So now we have to keep this in the oven. So see you after 30 minutes. So let's see if it's cooked or not. My mother is going to put the fork in, or you can put a toothpick to test it. If it comes dry out, means it's fully done. So it's clean. So it's fully cooked, and you can take it out and have the yummy taste of the brownie.